An ancient principle that separates temporary success from lasting legacy. Wealth must flow. Let me tell you something very uncomfortable. A business can show 1000 crore revenue and still be dying. A startup can raise millions and still be weak. A company can look successful and still collapse. Why? Because wealth stopped flowing. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Roots and Rise, where we discuss ancient wisdom for modern youth. In Indian philosophy, Lakshmi is not static. She moves, she circulates. She blesses movement, not hoarding. Now, translate that into the business. We call it cash flow, not revenue, not valuation, not Instagram branding. Revenue is ego. Cash flow is survival. Revenue is a number on paper, cash flow is oxygen in the bloodstream. And no organism survives without circulation. Now let us understand this with the help of a real life example. Look at the Kingfisher Airlines. Premium image, luxury branding, strong revenue. But internally, debts rising, cash mismatch, salaries delayed. The outside look glamorous, the inside stop flowing. And once salaries stop, once suppliers stop getting paid, once trust breaks, the system collapses. Not because revenue was zero, but because circulation died. Our ancient wisdom says stagnant water rots, flowing water purifies. Same goes with the money. If profit only sits in accounts to impress the investors but does not move into employees, innovation, infrastructure, customer values, then the business becomes fragile. Real wealth is not stored, it is circulated strategically. Now, contrast that with the Tata Group. Over decades, through crises, through recessions, they focused on sustainable flow. During global downturns, many companies cut people immediately, but long-term thinker protect circulation. Employees' salaries continue, operation continues, investment continues. That build trust, and trust is the highest currency. Trust compounds faster than profit. Now let's give a look on today's startup culture's worksheet valuation. Founders chase funding rounds, headlines celebrate billions raised, but what happens when funding slows? Many collapse because they built momentum on external oxygen, not internal cash discipline. The moment investors stop injecting capital, the illusions break. True strength is self-sustained flow. Now let me give you one more deeper lesson. If money flows only upward, like to the founder, to the shareholder, the system weakens. But when the money flows across, like to the employees, to the product development, to the customer experiences, the system strengthens. Healthy business thinks like ecosystem, like the Tata. They build an ecosystem, not like an extraction machine. Extraction is short term and circulation is legacy. Lakshmi flows. That sentence alone explains capitalism better than MBA textbooks. Wealth respects movement. Remember this. When you create values and keep the system nourished, wealth returns. When you hoard and choke the system, wealth exits. It's not mythical, it's structural. So, next time you see a company boosting revenue numbers, ask one question. How healthy is the flow? Because profit is a snapshot. Cash flow is the bloodstream. And businesses don't survive on snapshots, they survive on circulation. Wealth must flow. And the businesses that understand this build empires. Revenue can create headlines, can make noises, but only cash flow can build the empire. If you have liked this chapter, then do join us for the next chapter where we will learn how using patience strategically can help us to build our business empire. Till then, take care, see you soon, and thank you for watching.